related to your data forms and data fields page for your Logical Link admin panel. For your data forms, you're able to create custom contact forms or custom data forms to collect data and put it into leads. For your data fields, you can create custom fields for your data forms. The next section in the Logical Link admin panel is the data forms and data field section. In this section, you can create a data form by adding or clicking on the Create New Data Form, name your data form, assign it to a workspace if you would like, and click on. Once you click on your data form, add custom fields in your data form, like name. You can assign it to a type, whether it's text input, text area, drop down, check box, multiple check boxes, whether it's a radio button, a hidden, whether it's email address, a money amount, date, phone number, US states, whether it's a non-input and it's just a header section, or it's a multiple files or a single file section. For this example, I'm going to use text input. You can add a default text, so first name. You can map it to an area, so I'm going to map it to first name. And you can check whether it's required or not. For this purpose, I'm going to check on required and click on. You can also add an email form or email area by clicking on the email address, email, entering email for the name, default text, email, whether it's required or not. I'm going to have this as required and add it as the email. You can also drag these features if you would like to change the position of features inside of the form, and it'll also change live. So next, you can change the style of your form, whether you want it to be clean, a clean card, there's going to be a card around it, or clean and compact. You can change the theme color if you would like from here. You can add a notification snippet, so when someone clicks on submit, what the snippet will be that pops up around this area. You can add a data form button, so for here you're going to put in submit, and this is essentially what the text is going to be on the data form. If you have this inside of your website or external, you need to put submit or what you want the button to say over here. If you put it on the live website, it might not show because of security reasons, so you have to enter what type you want it over here. If you want to have a success URL once the data form is submitted, if you want to have a success URL, you can enter from there. The CAPTCHA keys, if you would like to have a CAPTCHA on your form, you have the external link over here and the internal tag over here, which you can use inside of your funnels. You can add the notification snippet line, like success, and you can add the notification snippet. We have gotten your form, or something similar to that. You can also go into your actual fields and edit them through here as well if you would like. Edit the label, the footnote, the default text, whether it's numbers only or not. The numbers only is important for phone numbers, so you don't get gibberish inside of your forms. And once you're done, you can use the internal or external codes over here. That's it for our data forms section. The next section is the data field section. In the data fields, you can create custom data fields for your data forms. Simply click on Create New Data Field. Add a name for that data field. Add a type. Add the input type. So we're going to have text area. Assign it to a workspace if you would like. You can edit the actual area over here. Add a label footnote, the default text, whether it's required or not, the icon for this data field. You have hundreds of icons to share from or choose from. You can sort the position. You can select the input type, the group name, the icon, the sort position, is whether it's profile only or it's for everyone. You can assign it to specific roles as well who have access to this data field, and more. This is our data forms and data field section of our logically linked admin page.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or queries, please contact us at support@logicallylink.com, and we will try to assist you and connect with you.